Hi everyone, Evette Rose here, author of Metaphysical Anatomy, which is a big book of 679 medical ailments, and that's the psychosomatic stress of that for adults. Now guys, today quickly we're going to have a look at coughing. So let's see. So this is normally when you have emotions or a strong emotion that's coming to the surface. Your subconscious mind is processing everything that you're not saying. There's something that you need to just get out and express it, but you're suppressing it. But now begs the question, who or what do you feel suppressed by? Because there's a reason why you're not expressing it. So guys, if you want to get your copy as well, check it out on Amazon or at evettebooks.com. And until next time, take care.